The AWD high temp stop vehicle warning is a critical alert that appears in Nissan vehicles when the all-wheel drive system overheats. This warning appears on your dashboard when the system detects dangerous temperature levels. This warning triggers when the AWD system's internal temperature exceeds 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 degrees Celsius. This temperature threshold is designed to protect expensive AWD components from thermal damage. When this warning appears, the system immediately takes protective action. It disables the all-wheel drive functionality and switches your vehicle to front-wheel drive only mode to prevent further damage. There are four main categories of problems that cause this warning. First, AWD fluid issues, including low fluid levels, degraded fluid, or contaminated fluid that affects heat transfer. Second, cooling system problems such as blocked cooler lines, failed cooling pumps, or radiator issues that prevent proper heat dissipation from the AWD system. Third, excessive system engagement from prolonged driving in challenging conditions, mismatched tire sizes that force constant AWD operation, or aggressive driving patterns that overwork the system. Finally, component failures including faulty temperature sensors, electromagnetic coupling wear, or control module malfunctions that prevent proper system operation and temperature regulation. Understanding these four main causes helps identify why the AWD high temperature warning appears. Recognizing the symptoms early can prevent costly repairs and keep your Nissan's all-wheel drive system operating safely. When the AWD high temperature warning appears, your immediate response is critical for preventing serious damage to your vehicle's all-wheel drive system. After the cooling period, perform basic diagnostics. Check tire pressures and ensure all tires are the same size, as mismatched tires can cause constant AWD engagement and overheating. Professional repair solutions start with fluid system service. This involves complete AWD fluid replacement, system flushing if contaminated, and leak repairs. This service typically costs between $200 and $500. Cooling system problems require more extensive repairs. This includes cleaning or replacing the AWD cooler, inspecting cooling lines, and integrating with the transmission cooling system. These repairs cost between $300 and $800. The most expensive repairs involve component replacement. This includes temperature sensors, electromagnetic coupling service, or control module programming. These major repairs can cost between $500 and $1,500. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular AWD fluid service every 30 to 40,000 miles and ensuring properly matched tires are crucial. These simple maintenance steps can prevent most AWD overheating issues. Ignoring the AWD high temperature warning can lead to catastrophic component failure, potentially costing thousands of dollars more than preventive maintenance. Early intervention saves both money and prevents being stranded with a disabled all-wheel drive system.